Hey everyone, Ultramicroscopic Gaming Scientist back again. Hope you're doing well guys. So in this video, I'm going to be playing a new game called Rodeo Stampede. So I used to play this game when I was small and I really liked it. So let's start. So here we need to choose a different hero. So let me choose one. Yeah, he's pretty good. So let's go. So all we need to do in this game is just go on animals, tame them, create a zoo with them, and earn your income with the zoo. So as you see, the thing that you see, the love bar, if that becomes full, you can tame the animal. So see, now you befriend the Cape buffalo. So now we got this animal in our zoo, which is kind of amazing. I'm going to be doing many episodes on this game, so I'll make sure that you clearly know this game. So let me show you. So now we are going to go in the real zoo. So there we go. So I'm going to be saying you some tips and tricks and what happens when we do this, when we do that in this game, and many other. So as you see, there's a new animal called zebra, but I'm now trying to do a thing. So if ride on bull for 750 meters or more than that, so we get an exotic bull. So it's a very rare bull. So it can be only done by doing something special. So as you see, now we got a zebra. So zebra's common and there are rarities in this. So common, cricket. So his name's Cricket. As you see, there are many rarities in this like common, epic, legendary, so on, special. So we got two animals there. So now if we build buffalo habitat and open zoo for business, then we are going to get money from that thing. So open zoo for 22 rupees. So each passenger will pay 11 rupees. There are two passengers, so they pay 22 rupees. So we can earn money from the zoo like this. So let's go again and let's see if any animals came new, and so I will try. I know there's an elephant, but I want to show you guys what happens when we ride on bull for 750 meters and I'll show you what happens when you do this. But it took a lot of time to do this thing. So let's see. So I know there's an elephant, but then elephants are common. So you see that bull? That's a bull, but that's a different color bull. So some animals are very rare, like these things. See, he's a keg fellow. The buffalo name's keg fellow, like buffalo keg fellow. So let me take a see. He says legendary. His name's Marco. So if you find something legendary, that means you find something new or rare or something like that. So you'll be finding more of this once you find anything and tame these things. And when you find something new, you'll get you can upgrade ranks like Buffalo Wrangler. So if you catch more new buffaloes, so your rank in buffaloes will increase. So like that. So you see that it says I'm the new buffalo. So when you tame different buffaloes, those buffaloes goes into a zoo, leading to extra income in your zoo. So that was a silly mistake there. So let's concentrate on the game now. Okay, I think I should catch an elephant. So let's go. So as you see, there's a bison. Bisons are a very good one. So I love the elephant because they are just common. I can find it everywhere. But whereas bisons only sometimes. So now let me see. It says mythic. So it's harder than legendary. I think so. Not sure. It's been a lot of time, long time since I played this game, and there are many updates. So I don't know clearly. So let's try to ride 750 meters. So as you see on the top corner, there's an thing which says you how much distance you went. So see, it says new on those buffalo with. Oh, I missed it. You saw that buffalo with fire coming back of it. That's an special one. Yeah, it's very hard to get those. No, again I missed a new buffalo. Told you right. It's been a long time since I played this one, so it's taking a lot of time. Probably missed that. Okay, let's try again. Now I think we can do this. So let's try to do 750 meters with this buffalo only. I think it's tough. It's tough. I'm gonna crash, I think. We are doing good. I think we can get that buffalo now. So this is a tip. If you ride 750 meters on your buffalo, so you get a new bull. new buffalo, which has fire behind it. So that buffalo is awesome to ride on it, because there's something like special effects on back of it. It's awesome. I know elephant is also new, but it's quite common, so I'm not catching it now. So I'll catch it in this episode only, don't worry. So I'm trying to do 750 meters on the bull so that I can get the fire bull again. So we need to ride on the same bull. So as you see, we did 750 meters and we got the flaming buffalo. So let's tame it now. It takes more time than the other things to tame these things called special animals, because these are special and it's very hard to get them. So there's a new zebra there. There we go, we got Diablo. So this buffalo's rarity is Diablo. There's no good shot for this. The trees and other buffaloes are blocking this thing. So I think this is a good pose. So yeah, this is better. This is better. So let's take this. There we go. It says special. So there's a new zebra there. So let's get it. Yeah, there we go. We got it. We got two new things in the same video. Is that kind of awesome? See, this one took less time than that one. So this one is just uncommon, whereas the Diablo that you just saw is a special one. So it took more time than the other ones to get tamed. So I think now I should catch an elephant. Yeah, there we go. Let me tame an elephant. There we go. We got an African elephant tamed there. See, I told you elephant is a common one. So what happens when elephant gets angry? So when elephants get angry, it just throws you out. So whereas if zebra get angry, they just do jumps, and same like buffalo. But buffaloes become more fast and get the jump. So as you see, you may know why I died, because there's a rock in front of it and there are many obstacles in between. And as you go on, there will be more harder maps, more harder obstacles. And this is the only first map I'm playing, Saravana. Then there are many other maps, so let's concentrate on the game. And you saw it says ride 4 buffaloes in a mission, and there's a tick mark coming on the above. So it means that I completed a mission. So by completing mission, you can get coins and upgrade your zoo. So let's see if we can catch any new animals in this one. See, when the buffalo got angry, it's going quick and jumping. So there are more chances than before of crashing into a obstacle. So I think I missed it. It's very close. So let me do it again. Let me waste 25 rupees for what? See, now I became buffalo champion, so I get new hat. This hat's good, so let me wear it. So we completed a mission and we got 50 coins from that. So now there's a mission on the mission called ride a buffalo for 8 seconds. So as you see, there's a time coming beside the buffalo. It means that we need to ride that buffalo for that much time. So we got one more mission completed there. So there we go. So I think we need to catch that buffalo there. So you're wondering why am I catching this many buffaloes when I have already won. So it says that my zoo's income will increase as I have more animals in my zoo. The more exotic animals I have, the more endangered animals I have, the more extinct animals I have, the more income the zoo gets. So I know that you understood this one. So let me do a mission where I ride not normal things but only special things. Okay guys, let's do this. Okay, there we go. Now we came back into the zoo. So we got see how many animals we caught. It shows you after coming into the zoo. So we got 30 rupees. As you saw, the zoo's income was increased from 22 rupees to 30 rupees. Still I didn't open the elephant zoo and zebra zoo, so I got less income. So now I'm gonna open them both, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to do different things and what animals different animals they are. And there are many hats in this game, as you saw before, and these things you need to buy with the real money. I think the kind of waste if you're very good in this game. And there are subscriptions here, and and there are options here. That's it. So guys, this ultra microscopic gaming scientist signing out for now.